4 a.m. in the morning, well, 4:30 in the morning, Saturday. We're ready to go. Destination, Parks, the dish. That's where we're gonna go first. Yes, you awake? All right, let's do this. Woo. Let's hope we don't hit any roos or wombats. We've made it to West Wyalong with, I think, like 5 k's of fuel left. It's on the empty line. Oh, I need a coffee. There's a coffee shop up the street, so we're gonna fill up and get some brekkie and coffee. This one's been great company today. 10 past 6 a.m. So we've been driving for an hour and a half. I think I've committed genocide on my truck. We're skipping breakfast and going all the way to Forbes, which is another hour and a bit. We're thinking we're gonna keep going because there's no traffic on the road, so get a head start. This one's still asleep. We have arrived in Parks, the famous flies everywhere. There's the famous radio telescope that assisted with the moon landing. If it actually happened. Watch the movie The Dish if you want to know more about it. This thing is massive. It's huge. Last time I was here was 18 years ago when I was moving to Melbourne. Now we're doing the opposite. No drones allowed, which is interesting, probably because of the radio waves everywhere. Whew, flies everywhere. It's supposed to be 44 degrees here today, and it's, what's the time? 9 a.m. and it's already 30 something degrees. Oh yeah, it's moving. Let me look, it's moving. Hey Lemmy, can you hear me? I like candy bars, candy bars, candy bars. I can hear you guys really clearly. Let's see if Lemmy can hear me. Hey Lemmy, for Halloween I ate all your candy. At Halloween I ate all your candy. That was pretty cool. I'm gonna go up further away and put the drone up because there's no fly zones here. In saying that, there's a lot of flies. Whew, it's horrible. Oh my god, they're everywhere.
Blame it on me. They just want a scapegoat. I just tried to fit in. You've got to beg just to get in line. The fights, the lies. I just tried to be good. You've got to brag to get out of the woods. They tell me I look good.
We've arrived in where?
The boo.
Taboo. Lumi calls it taboo. We've arrived in Dabu, but it's actually Dubbo. We're in Dubbo.
It's Club Dabu.
Dabu. We're gonna get some lunch and water. It is really, really hot outside. Oh. We've stopped in a place called Hickey's Falls, but with all the drought, I don't think there's any water in here. It has been for a very long time. I guess during raining season that would be a massive waterfall, but that's all that's left down here. That's really dry, sad. There's a turtle in there. There's the turtle.
They tell me I look good, they tell me I am fine, but they never seem to ever let me come inside. They tell me I look good.
Alright, so we are in a town called Narrabri. We had a 40-minute nap in the truck because I couldn't do it anymore. Got a frappe, got an ice cream. It's 40 degrees outside. Ready to go. Moree is next, and then Queensland. I wonder if Moree is in Queensland. Find out soon. So we're pretty awake now. The nap was fantastic. The frappe was fantastic. We're on our way to Moree now. Look at all these wheat fields. There's thousands of hectares of wheat fields. This is insane. The roads are beautiful. It's still really hot outside, but we've already done 1,200 kilometers, and we've got 500 kilometers to go. So I think we should be home before midnight. We're gonna make a stop in Moree to get petrol and some healthy snacks instead of what are you doing? Some healthy snacks instead of candies and sugar. Gonna get some carrots and apples because I feel like my teeth are about to fall out. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Apparently I've done 40,000 steps today. Good old shaking steering wheel. Alright. Alright, we got healthy snacks. We got apples, carrots, tomatoes, pears. We're ready for the Queensland border. See you soon, Brisbane. We've crossed the Queensland border. Yes, we are 4 hours and a bit, maybe just under 4 hours. There's kangaroos everywhere on the road. This is the worst time to drive actually, because it's just before sunset. So there'll be kangaroos, rabbits, all stuff all over the road. So we're going to drive extra carefully. Thank God for Triple J.
Yeah, they've done a stellar job.
Thank you, Triple J. We've had Triple J all the way from Victoria to here. Oh man, look at that sunset. Amazing sunset. Still warm though, really, really warm. This is how it's driving. It's like sitting on a trampoline. I can't feel my butt. It's bruised. So we're officially in Queensland. Kangaroos everywhere. It's a combine, a mural. All the drone websites I belong to post this picture, so I had to stop. But it's a bit late to put the drone up and I couldn't be bothered unboxing it. Love combines. This thing's a classic. Hopefully there's no snakes anywhere. It's pretty cool. Wonder what they're going to paint over there. This is pretty cool. See, Skips? We've made it, barely. We killed only one animal, an owl.
Wow. Wait for the autopsy results.
But 16 hours driving.
Today.
That was insane.
Plus what did we do yesterday? 6.
6, yeah. So 22 hours, 1700 Ks. It's not bad.
Yeah.
We thought it would take us.
The truck was the bad thing.
Yeah,
it's a little bit
really
slow through the mountains.
A little bit, a lot. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'm never doing that again.